recent news, the Vatican issued a stern warning against the rise of polyamory, emphasizing the importance of monogamous, lifelong marriage. But beyond the religious context, this debate touches on something deeper: how society's understanding of love, commitment, and roles can shape our collective future. The Vatican's new document, titled One Flesh, in Praise of Monogamy, link in the description, argues that modern trends like polyamory and ever-high divorce rates threaten the stability of society. It describes polyamory as an illusion, believing that love can be found in a succession of faces, rather than in a deep, exclusive bond. The Church emphasizes that marriage is more than just sharing intimacy. It's about a rich and total belonging, rooted in lifelong commitment. So, why does this matter? From a societal perspective, stable, committed relationships serve as the foundation for a healthy society and healthy communities. They provide roles, parents, caregivers, community members that support societal cohesion. When these roles are abandoned or devalued, society risks fragmentation, decay, and chaos. John Calhoun, his famous experiments with mice in Universe 25 showed what happens when societal roles break down. As mice abandoned their roles, mothers neglecting their young, males withdrawing, society spiraled into chaos, violence, and collapse. In human society, when people prioritize fleeting pleasures over commitments, when roles of love, responsibility, and stability are dismissed, could we, like the mice, be heading toward a similar breakdown? The Vatican's warning echoes this concern, that abandoning traditional bonds weakens the social fabric, making society vulnerable to disorder and disintegration. Love within marriage, as the Vatican describes, is about more than procreation. It's about unity, trust, and a shared commitment. Roles that sustain not just individuals, but entire communities. When society promotes the idea that love is just faces and fleeting encounters, it risks losing the stability and meaning that hold us together. History shows that societies built on strong bonds and clear roles, they tend to survive and thrive. Those that abandon them often face chaos. Like Calhoun's mice, we might be flirting with the danger of societal breakdown if we dismiss the importance of commitment, roles, and responsibility. The Vatican's warning isn't just about religion. It's a reminder that our choices about love and roles have profound consequences. Choosing fleeting faces over lasting bonds, it might seem freeing in the moment, but it could lead us down a path of social entropy, disintegration, violence, and loss of meaning. So what are your thoughts? Do traditional roles and commitments still matter in a changing world? Well, don't forget to share your perspective in the comments. But first,
oh yes, there it is. The behavioral threshold monster drawing us into Calhoun's behavioral sink once again.
So run off, my friends, flee! Go back to your doom-scrolling traps. But as always, thanks for stopping by. As I said, feel free to drop your comments in the comment section on your way out. If you found anything useful, feel free to like, share, subscribe. You can even ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, this is Katatu saying so long from the channel at the end of the universe.